Big data, AI, and machine learning are changing the world around us and how we do business.
Imperial's MSc Business Analytics and AI gives you the technical expertise and the industry insights to stay ahead and advance your career.
The program provides a strong technical foundation in areas like machine learning, generative AI, and decision models.
You'll gain hands-on experience solving real business challenges through industry-connected modules, practical projects like the capstone, and an optional extended term for those who want to strengthen their work experience.
Imperial's global reputation and strong links to industry make it the ideal place to launch a career in analytics.
Beyond the core modules, you can tailor your learning with a variety of electives to match your career ambitions.
The electives feel really relevant right now and even a step ahead of where things are going.
For example, there is an elective exploring generative AI and large language models.
It's interesting to dig into how these large language models actually work, especially things like attention mechanisms.
We also looked at how these ideas apply to industries like finance, retail, and energy. Through clubs like the Data Science Society and networking events, you can connect with other students across the university and feel part of the Imperial community.
We have students from all over the world. It's fascinating to see how different perspectives shape the way we approach analytics and solve problems together.
And the diverse support extends beyond the classroom.
The careers team has been invaluable from day one.
With tailored coaching, I've gained the insights needed to develop my career further, which I'm really happy about.
I have already secured a job in data analytics in London, thanks to the program.
Being in London means there are constant networking opportunities to connect with professionals, attend events, and build your network.
And having access to Imperial's strong alumni community has made a big difference in helping me figure out my own career path.
At Imperial, we combine world-leading STEM expertise with real-world learning, equipping students with critical skills to stay ahead.
Advance your career with Imperial's MSc Business Analytics and AI program.
Apply today
and take the next step
in your career journey.